You ever notice how some people can name every player, remember every match, argue for hours about sports, while others just don't care at all? Not a little uninterested, completely disconnected from it. No excitement, no emotional attachment, no urge to keep up, and sometimes people even judge them for it, like not caring about sports means something is missing, but psychologically, it can reveal something deeper. People who don't care much about sports usually don't get emotionally attached to group identity that easily. They don't feel the same rush from belonging to a crowd, the screaming, the competition, the us versus them mentality. It just doesn't affect them the same way. And here's the strange part. A lot of them are actually highly observant people. They watch others get emotionally invested in something they personally feel disconnected from, and instead of joining in, they stay outside of it, observing, quietly thinking, how are people this emotionally affected by a game? It's not always because they hate sports. Sometimes their brain just craves different kinds of stimulation, more depth, more meaning, more personal connection. That's why many people who don't care about sports often become deeply interested in other things instead. Psychology, music, business, art, technology, human behavior, they still obsess, just differently. And honestly, some of them struggle to fake interest in things society expects everyone to enjoy. So when conversations become only about scores, teams, or matches, they slowly disconnect. Not because they think they're better than others, but because they genuinely can't force emotional investment into something they don't feel naturally connected to. And after a while, they start feeling slightly out of place, especially in environments where sports are a huge social language. But here's what most people misunderstand. Not caring about sports doesn't make someone boring. It usually means their attention is directed somewhere else, because every person invests emotional energy differently. Some people connect through competition, others connect through ideas, and sometimes, the people who seem the least interested in mainstream things are the ones thinking the deepest internally. So if you've ever felt weird for not caring about sports like everyone else, there's nothing wrong with you. Your mind just seeks stimulation in a different form. And once you stop forcing yourself to fit into conversations you don't care about, you start finding people who actually speak your language.